To connect Exness to MetaTrader 5 Montana 5, you need to start by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. If you do not have it installed, download it from the official MetaTrader website. Once you have the platform open, click on File and then click on Open an Account. In the search bar, type Exness and select the Exness server. You will then be prompted to enter your account details, including your account number and password. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. After entering your account details, click on the Next button and then click on the Finish button. Your Exness account should now be connected to your MetaTrader 5 platform. To verify, click on File and then click on Open an Account. You should see your Exness account listed under the Accounts tab. To start trading with your Exness account, click on the Navigator window and select the account you just connected. You can then use the various trading tools and features available on the MetaTrader 5 platform to analyze markets and execute trades. It is essential to ensure that your MetaTrader 5 platform is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues with your Exness account. Regularly update your platform to get the latest features and security patches. Additionally, make sure to keep your account details secure and do not share them with anyone to avoid any unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5 and start trading. The process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete.